So this is the SPD. It's a super cool device and you can do a ridiculous amount of stuff with it. I bring it along to every single one of my gigs and I use it for far too much stuff and I love it. So one of the really cool things you can do with the SPD is you can actually turn it into an audio interface. Now for those that don't know, an audio interface is a way of outputting your audio from your computer. So rather than the sound coming through your computer speakers, it'll actually come through here. So a couple of the reasons you may want to do this is to run backing tracks through it and still have all 9 pads available. Other ways include controlling a DAW. So in my case, Ableton, you send the MIDI channels out from here and you can control the whole software from it. So all you have to do to change this into an audio interface is you have to go menu, down 1 to setup, down 5 to option, and then down 3 to USB mode. And then just hit the plus or minus button and that'll change it into audio/MIDI. Then you just hit the kit button and that's it. So now all you need to do is just plug a USB-B cable into the back of the SPD, into your laptop, download the relevant drivers from the Roland website, and that's it, you're all set.